Alrighty, y'all. Well, just giving these a little trial run, but you know, if y'all happen to like my videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and supposedly there's some little bell that y'all can hit that'll, I guess, notify you when I post. Also, something that might be a little new to, you know, some of my viewers that have watched a couple of my videos and stuff. There's this thing at the lower right hand side of the screen now it's some watermark that supposedly will make it easier for you to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Supposedly, I don't really know. It's called a watermark. I don't know if it's gonna actually do anything or not, but yeah, it's there. So hopefully it makes some type of difference or does something. It's a little grit that got in my face or something. Can barely see. My eye. Alright. I am back to the land of the sane. Yeah, no merge area. I ain't trying to get clapped by some dude in a Corolla. Alright, topic or discussion. Discussion with myself. Something like that. So I am about to hit 2,000 miles on this KTM. Like, currently I am sitting at, let's take a look to give you the most accurate reading possible, 1956. Man, look at that. I'm putting a lot of miles on this thing. It's crazy because, you know, like, I've been looking at like this bike and my KLX, which, you know, they're both fairly new-ish, and and that one has like almost I can't give you the most exact number, but let's just say for sake of argument 1,500 miles. So that has 1,500, this has practically 2,000. Man, you know, before this riding season truly got started, or starting, you know, I'm up to pretty much 3,500 miles. You know, I really have jumped feet first back into bikes, haven't I? You know, like, you know, not to throw shade, but my one buddy, he was a fair weather rider if I've ever seen one. Like, he had a Honda Grom, which he had for a while and stuff like that, like months. You know, this was before, you know, I got into my accident and all that craziness, which I guess let's go left. Yeah. So he had this bike before my accident, the whole nine, rode it, and then went and bought a DRZ 400 Supermoto and rode that. He never rode the Grom far enough to actually do an oil change. He never actually broke it in the entire time he had it. It was like a year and so. And then he bought the DRZ, which I'm pretty sure, don't hold me to this, I haven't verified with him, you know, but, you know, based on our riding, I don't even think he did an oil change on that. He bought that brand new, so I don't even know if he truly broke in that before selling it. So when you're, you know, and he had that stuff for like almost a year. It's kind of crazy when you think about, you know, people spend the money to buy these things and don't ride them. Like, obviously, not everybody's gonna, like, every day after work, like I've been doing recently, just riding every single day. Even if it's just for, like, 15 minutes. I go out every day, just, you know, I get off from work, I go home, change, and then I just go out for a ride. Just to, like, clear my head. Even if I rode to work, I will ride home from work, you know, because I gotta take my dog out and all that other good stuff. And then I will go out for a ride again. You know, it's like today, for instance, I took the mini truck to work, so it's not like I rode, but yep. So but yeah, I don't know, I just every day I'm just getting at it, you know. Like, it could be called obsessive or crazy, I don't know. It's one of those, when I'm spending the amount of money on these bikes, I want to, every day that I'm capable or able to, I want to try to at least put miles on it. I want to use that. That's why, like, pretty much every day, like, so, like, I'm using this today, tomorrow I'm going to be on my KLX, and then vice versa. Like, I just keep alternating, you know. Gotta get my money's worth, you know. That's the name of the game, you know. I don't know. That's something to consider. I don't know what I'm trying to say to consider, but alright, let's see. Where am I at? Johns Hopkins Road. Okay. I think I'm gonna go straight. That was a little tighter than I thought. Yeah. So get out there, put miles on your bikes if you have them. You know, do it. You know, they're meant to be ridden hard, long and hard. But yeah, just, I don't know, just if you're paying for it and you can do it, get out there and do it. Alright, yeah, the road ends. It says 500 feet. And I ain't no mathematician or a calculator or whatnot, but that don't look like 500 feet to me. Whatever. Ride like your kids live here. You really don't want me doing that. But yeah. So, I know this has been a long time coming, and I don't know why it's taken me so long to actually do this. But, I am actually gonna, hopefully today, actually no, it's tomorrow. I am getting, like a cord to plug into my GoPro, and I'm gonna actually start putting my battery backup to use. So I'm gonna put my battery backup in my backpack, and then I'm just gonna run the cable across my shoulder into the GoPro. You know, a little sketchy, you know, but you know, it will correct the issue of, you know, where my videos kind of cut short sometimes because of, you know, dead GoPros. Because, you know, sometimes, like, I'll admit, it's not like I always have something interesting to talk about. But there's times where, like, you know, like with that Harley riding video the other day, my GoPro died, like, luckily, after I kind of, like, soft-ended it. But oh, I'm back here again. Interesting. So I risked my life going all the way across just to come back here, because this was kind of a dead end. Interesting. But yeah, it's what was I going on about? Oh yeah, the GoPro wire, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt doing that to, you know, extend the life of these batteries, because I only get about an hour worth of life out of these things, and it's, I don't know, it's, sometimes I'm just out and about doing stuff, recording random things, and next thing you know, it dies. And then normally at that point there's something interesting that I want to talk about, and I talk about it, and then next thing I know, boop, it's been dead. So yeah, I just need to work on my battery management better. So hopefully this makes some type of difference. I hope so. You know, it's all about providing, you know, like a better experience for you all, you know, so you all can like actually get the full length video that I'm actually trying to do. Because, you know, where am I? I have no clue where I am. But yeah, might as well like actually give you all the footage that I'm actually trying to, you know, trying to let you all, I don't know, get a view into my limited world view. Just my ramblings. Just my ramblings. You know, it was weird. I actually rode this bike yesterday. Yeah, I know, I just kind of contradicted myself when, you know, I ride a bike one day and I switch. I didn't feel like, you know, switching bikes today, just cause. But I digress. So, I was riding this yesterday, and for some reason, I just wasn't feeling it. Like not like feeling like, you know, like, I don't like the bike. Like, no, I just wasn't feeling it. Like, I don't know, for some reason, I was just kind of off. Like, you know, it sounds weird, but I almost was, like, up in my head or something. Like, I was kind of hesitant to do some leaning and stuff, and, like, a couple times I ran kind of wide, and I'm not sure why, but maybe I was just in a really weird headspace yesterday. I'm not really sure. So that's kind of one of the things that I wanted to take this bike out today to kind of like see if I actually did better today with my riding, which so far so good. Hopefully it keeps up, you know. I don't know, is this really weird, you know? But it's life. It's life. Alright, I kind of know where I am. Kinda. Sorta. So yeah, I don't know why. It was weird. Like, I just kind of didn't want to kind of go for it. It's kind of crazy. So, yeah. I think that's kind of it that I had to talk about for today. At least for right now. I don't know. Because, like, I know I've been running my mouth for extended period of time. And I know that, you know, most of the time people probably don't want to watch a 30-minute long video of me just rambling, you know. A little groundhog running for its life. So yeah, Alright, well, I'm gonna end it off there before I just talk myself into some weird hole or something. So, hope you all like and subscribe, and, yeah, I am out.